Remus's face on that skin is hilarious.
I love it. He's the Fridgelord. But guys, they don't know. They don't know. Bonk. Beat her up. Beat her up. Beat her up. Hit her in her stupid face.
Oh, if I had
Oh God,
mana.
Tarek, no.
I'm getting good here. I'm Tarek.
I am the Fridgelord. I'm peacing out.
Get some more armor. Put a thing right there. Heal myself and walk away.
Alright. Alright. You know what? We're gonna do it round 2.
I have my healed, so.
Herder. Oh.
Nice. Nice.
Those minions, tell your friend. Tell your friends of the atrocities you've seen today.
Alright, she's not going.
Okay, where did all the damage come from?
She's a BF sword.
No, I just suddenly lost all my health. I didn't think her thing was going to do that much.
Yeah, I didn't think so either. But,
Alright, so don't laugh at Callista. Oh my god, I'm gonna laugh at Callista every damn time I see her now. They're pretty funny. They took out my vision. They blinded me. Like, look out, Lee Sin.
It's seriously like my favorite, like non-actual skin idea.
Warrior. One shot.
It's weirded.
Heal. Yeah.
Beautiful.
she walked into that.
Okay.
Oh, I am completely out of mana. Completely out of mana. Completely out of mana.
Basic attacker.
I miscalculated. I wouldn't have been able to kill her though. Do
I have any water?
Oh.
Nice steal. Nice steal.
Nice.
No, I can't move. I can't move. I can't move. Oh, he took that minion though. That's okay.
Terrible person. What a horrible person. Never help him again.
He stole my minion AFK.
0, 3, and 1. I need more assists. Or kills. Preferably kills.
Can't outrun the basic attack, bitches.
Hang on, Zach. Zach, are you ready? Are you ready for this?
Do you have home guards? Nice! She got you. Go, 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 go. Get the cursed.
Bonk.
Oh, counter telly. I got that. Oh, and then Shen countered. Oh god.
Oh man. Oh.
We should try to dragon, possibly.
Yeah, sure.
Just pit an armadillo against a dragon and see what happens.
Wait.
Lee? We're coming. Oh, yeah.
Your mother's a bitch. Anyways.
Come in for the steal.
Oh, hey, look, Talon. Hey, buddy.
I'm gonna just kind of...
Nice flash, bud.
Let's get the dragon.
I got assist! Yay!
I am the Fridgelord. Maximum Overlord. Oh, Rek'Sai's coming. Shit.
So I'm gonna walk this way.
No! Oh! Hey, look, it's Carista.
Talk about that though.
Hang on. They don't know.
They have no idea. Yeah, Sweeper.
Oh God, Lee Sin's up there.
Is he?
Listen!
Yeah.
He was up there. We just tell him wait here.
Hang it. Hang it.
Oh yeah.
Oh
You're
fuck.
kidding me.
Really? I
I
love
was-
this guy. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
You might wanna.
Nope. Yep. Zach, they'll have no idea.
They have no idea what's coming. I thought the exact same thing. Mission accomplished.
Baby, keep her busy. I'm coming.
I'm pretty sure I can kill her, to be honest.
Ramus is kind of the anti-80. Not when there's
Nope.
a wind person around. I would like an assist.
I would like to kill. I would like to. Oh. Zach!
Assist.
You only wanted the assist.
I didn't know that.
What?
Apparently, if Maokai goes to snare Ramus while he's in his ball, it cancels the snare. That's cool. Yeah.
Things are happening.
I'm pretty
Things
sure
are happening.
we have... Oh, never mind.
Things
Actually,
are
wow,
happening.
we are actually really far ahead of them. I did not realize this. Oh, come on, it's not up for another 60 seconds. Oh, hey, look, Lee Sin's back.
It is.
I'm out.
Talon.
Talon, buddy. We
Wait,
can.
come on. Let's go get him.
I have enough for a dash. That's it. That was enough.
Over the course of 25 minutes.
I should build an infinity edge herder.
Let's keep getting the tower. Oh, I was so close to getting.
It's probably a really bad idea, but can do it. Can do it.
No, I want this one.
No,
Oh,
it's mine.
oh, Lisa.
Oh, I'm just gonna back
Get him.
because I have
Get
no
him.
mana. I can't do anything.
Go get him, roll.
Which one of us are gonna attack? Huh?
Me.
Of course.
This might not go very well. Shen, you are the hero we deserve.
Shen is totally the hero we deserve. I was blissfully unaware of this. Gotta go fast.
We're gonna get this one. No idea what just happened.
You just got double kill.
I can help you.
Yes, good. I'm sorry, Zach. What?
Attacking Baron? Yeah, gotcha.
No,
Shit.
not right now. Oh,
Baron.
I.
Exploded.
Oh.
Yeah!
And that minion's like, let me go. Please, let me go.
Onward, lads! Oh, it's funny. He doesn't even get his dying animation when he dies with Guardian Angel. It's funny, Ramus was just standing there like, I will taunt you. Give me one moment.